Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Dreqo, and I figured I would show you what I typically eat on the road. What I have here is some Starkist white chicken, some salsa, and mixed vegetables, which contains corn, potatoes, carrots, and some peas as well. What I typically do is just add all the ingredients into this little crock pot here and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So what I'll typically do is I'll open one of the packs up and then put it on the bottom and then follow it up with about half of the salsa. Then I will drain the vegetables and then dump them in on top of the salsa. I will then add a second packet of chicken on top of the mixed vegetables and then the rest of the salsa, and then try and mix it around so that it has an even consistency. Now that it's good and mixed, I will then cover it with its first lid and then wrap it up in the liner and then put the second lid on it. Like I said, it will typically take about 30 minutes to complete, or I will take a shower, and by the time I'm done in the shower, I will be able to eat. For those of you who have never seen the inside of a truck stop shower before, here's a glimpse of what the Love's shower looks like. Every major chain has a shower typically, either Love's, Pilot, TA, Flying J, Petro. The cost associated with getting these showers typically run about $15 on the low end to about $25 on the high end that I've seen before. But if you get about 50 gallons worth of fuel, you will be able to get a free shower. Most showers, especially the ones at the major chains, will give you towels, and they will also give you soap, but the soap is typically out of a dispenser, so it's typically advisable to bring your own. Plus it's probably more cleanly that way that you take your own. I am now back in the truck after taking a shower, and I am a bit more hungry than what I thought I would be. I decided to have some thin wheat crackers as well, about 30 of them, which is 2 servings. And let's see how this came out. It actually does smell good. It may not look the greatest, but it does smell good, and yep, it's done. So that's going to be my meal. So with the salsa, the mixed vegetables, and the white chicken, the total calories for the mixture is 468 calories. And then if you include the thin wheat crackers, the total comes out to 728. And typically this will be my only meal for the day, and I average about 1,000 to 1,200 calories currently because I'm going through a weight loss thing right now, so I don't typically eat a whole lot. I will maybe have a couple apples, and then I also have the Cattleman cut smoked sausages that I will snack on during the day, but I typically only have about 2 apples and about 2 to 4 sticks of the Cattleman's. Also, if you're wanting to try this, the small crock pot that I have is available online for about 40 bucks roughly, depending on where you look for it, and the ingredients are pretty cheap as well. But I think that's gonna do it for me today, guys. If you'd like more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. Give it a like, share it out, and I will talk to you guys soon. See ya.